Wow.
Okay, Mina, my lips are so raw and they're bleeding and chapped and really disgusting. I want to say stick around for part 2 of all my lipsticks. Next, I have the Jackelyn liquid lipstick in Absolutely. Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Leo. Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Posh Spice. This is Redrum by Jeffree Star, and this is one of his best-selling ones. This shade is by Jeffree Star. It's called Diamond, and rest in peace to his puppies that died. I know one of them's name was Diamond. Really beautiful shade. Calabasas by Jeffree Star is actually prettier than I remember. This is the Kat Von D lip cream in Tulip. This is a Maybelline lipstick in Serpentine. It's a metallic and I found it at the 99-cent store. This is such a pretty green. This is Equality by Jeffree Star. Breakfast at Tiffany's. This is Jeffree Star in the shade Family Jewels. Jeffree Star in the shade Anna Nicole. Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood. Love this yellow, green, brown shade by Jeffree Star. It's called Deep Pockets. This gorgeous gargoyle shade is called Medusa. Turn you into stone. Jeffree Star in Dead Presidents. Jeffree Star Tasty. I am tasty. Jeffree Star in Dominatrix. Jeffree Star Blue Velvet. Blue Velvet. One of the boys, Fenty Beauty. KVD lip cream in Carnation. KVD lip cream in Hollyhock. KVD lipstick in the shade Zero. This is the Lorac Pro Lip Cream in Merlot. Merlot, I think, not Merlot. This is a MAC lipstick in Antique Velvet. This is the brand Coven Aucoin. The color is True Red Carolina. It's more like a true orangey red. Caroliana. Caroliana? This is Airy Ink Velvet by Peripera, and this is in the number 2. This is the KVD lipstick in Ludwig. I also have this in the liquid version. KVD lipstick in Sanctuary. MAC Brickthrough. Peripera Mood Lipstick in shade 9. Lovely Girl in the shade Ashley. Very neon. Kat Von D lipstick in Crush. KVD Coven, one of my favorites. Forever an Icon MAC Candy Yum Yum. KVD in Crush. Etude House Dear Darling Tint. This is in the shade RD307. Really cute. This is I Meme. I believe it is in the plum shade. I could be wrong. Black Moon Cosmetics in Cider, one of my favorites. MAC Killing Me Softly. Lovely Girl in Kristen. It's a little bit patchy, but it's still pretty. Lovely Girl Bella. That's my kitty's name. Well, her name is Bellatrix, that's strange. She's a black tuxedo. I call her Bella for short. Etude House Dear Darling Tint. This is a blue shimmery lip gloss in the shade BL601. It's very darling indeed. Sailor Moon ColourPop collaboration in Bunhead. If you didn't know, that's an Usagi reference because she has little buns on her head. This is the VDL tint bar, and this is so old it should be criminal and illegal. So how you use it is there's a nude color, a pink color, and a red color. The nude color goes on the outside, flip it, then the red goes on the inside like this. And then you blend it out with your fingers. Like that. I love this thing, but it is so old. It is like over, this is Kat Von D, KVD, Roxy. This gorgeous lipstick is a KVD lipstick called Aisha. So beautiful. It's such a muted, at the same time, it's a deep purple. Lady Boba taro flavor. Let's give it a try. We have the shade Ziggy by Kat Von D. It is a very tiny, bright neon light pink. Fenty Beauty in Ya Dig. This is the shade Jeffree Star Drug Lord. It is too dry to try to put anything out of here, but I do like to do my Eggyo style, which is when you make your eyes larger and dolly-like. When you put white under with black, I like to exaggerate it because I'm a cosplayer, duh. This shade is by Lime Crime. It's called Diamond Cruncher. Fuck! This shade is by Lime Crime. It's in the Diamond Crusher series, and it's called Fluke. It is a brownie, strange, glittery shade. It's really pretty though. I definitely recommend this series by Lime Crime. This shade is by Stila. It's called Bisu. My boudoir. What is that in English? Boudoir? Boudoir? My boudoir. This is Boudoir. Boudoir? How do you say that word in English? This shade is by Stila. It's called Boudoir. This brand needs its own mention. This is by Tater Rounds Beauty. I got this on Etsy a couple years ago. This shade is called Praise the Sun, and it is vegan, cruelty free. It is in this gorgeous yellow color, yellow mustardy color. They have a lot of colors on there. I really love Tater Rounds Beauty. They have a cute little piggy on it. Aussie by Kat Von D. Aussie. Yeah, well, I mean, who's gonna review that, right? I stuck this on my butt crack and...
Well, I mean, it's a good clickbait.
Right. This is by Jeffree Star. This is one of my favorite greens he made. It's called Karma. And look at the pretty bottle. Another beautiful lipstick from Etude House. This is in the shade PK002. I mean, look at that packaging. This is Maybelline's Lilac Flush, and I got this at the dollar store. Such a pretty light lavender color. And it smells cool. Don't forget to watch anime and subscribe to Von7 Anime Freak here on YouTube. Bye!